Guys, just check out this tiny little RC rally car. It's super fast and also dirt cheap, but even better, check it out inside. So just like its bigger brother, this thing's got double wishbone suspension front and rear, a metal chassis, a proper little steering servo, coilover suspension, and a powerful motor. Trouble is, because it's so fast, in the last video we crashed it and just broke this little piece here. So I've got an aluminium upgrade kit. So the parts that we need, a couple of these arms here, and you've also got to change your hub carriers to fit them. And we're going to leave all this other stuff off for now until we need it later on. So we're going to fix it, and then we're going to take it out for a rip. And by the way, guys, this thing is dirt cheap. So if you want to know where we can get the car from, where we can get the upgrades from, and all the techno babble, there's going to be a link to all of that down below. Enough waffle, let's go and fix it. Look at that, it even comes with tiny little ball bearings. So one little problem is that this little top link here has got a screw on top of here. Trouble is, this has got a ball joint, and this has already got the ball joint in there. And there's no screws in the set to put it on. So I've got these little screws here. If you need some yourself, you can find them on eBay. Just type in M2 by 6mm, and that should do it. So we're going to put a little bit of Loctite on there, just to stop the screws from coming loose. Guys, it's amazing how small these parts are. So we're going to get the other side on, and then we're going to take it out for a rip. So I've just noticed a small little problem, and where this ball joint goes into the bottom arm, it's actually quite tight. And what that's going to do is going to give it tight steering and suspension. So we've got to ream that hole out a little bit. So I'm going to grab one of these spare ball joints and just file a little flat spot on there, just to give it a little bit of a cutting edge. And then, if we keep spinning that round, eventually, that should make that hole slightly bigger and make it a lot more smooth in there. That's better. We could have probably avoided that problem if we'd have just fitted these alloy arms, but I do like to keep some plastic parts just so that you've got a weak spot, because otherwise, you're going to start bending stuff. So I got it all fitted. Trouble is, it's now got positive camber. Basically, positive camber means that the wheels are facing outwards like that. If anything, you want it straight or a little bit of negative like that. Is, well, not only looks silly, it's probably going to ruin the handling. And we can adjust these top wishbones, but they're already in all the way. So we're going to have to take it off again, file a little bit off, put it back together, and I want to try and get these wheels straight. I think if we remove like about 1mm, that should be about perfect. Boom! There we go. Perfect. Battery's charged. Radio's on. Let's give it a rip. Steering's got plenty of speed and power. The motor's got plenty of power too. Haha, look at that. Doesn't burn out. Oh my God, that goes. My God, that rips. Carpet burn out. Man, this little thing's got some go in it. Slippery floor. Oh, cyclone! So next, let's build a racetrack. And just like that, the rally course is complete. So we make our way down this eBay ramp, around the bend, down this straight, and round Mojave hairpin. And then from there we come around here and round World Record Bend and out into the workshop and over the crossover, around King Bend, under the crossover, through a chicane, down a little straight, and over the line. So are you ready? Steady! Go, 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 go! And over the line! minute, we're going to have a little look at this FPV car here. So it's got a camera here, and then you put these goggles on your head, so then you can see what the car sees. Now, the car's not really that fast, but once you put the goggles on, it looks really fast. We're going to get to that in a minute. But first, guys, this thing here is an absolute beast. It's fast, it handles good, you can drift it, it's durable. The upgrade on there held up perfectly. So next, let's have a look at all the crashes, and then we can have a little blast with this. So next, we may as well see how it can run outside. So next, let's go on to the Eachine Interceptor FPV car. And you know what? I like them so much that I bought myself a second one, so I can get a buddy over and we can do some racing. But we're going to be doing that in a different video, so make sure you subscribe and smash the bell so you don't miss it. So controller on, car on, goggles on, and then if you look in there, look, you can see what the car sees. So quick speed test. There you go. It's not really going to win any prizes, but you wait till you see it through here. There you go, looks pretty fast now, yeah? Ready, steady, go, 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 go! And here we go, over the line! Once you've got this on your head, it just looks so much faster. So there's going to be a link down below where you can get this from. Also, another little handy gadget is this monitor here, so you can have some onlookers looking through here. Or maybe some people don't like wearing the helmet thing, then you can look at it through here. So we switch it on, find the signal, and there you go. You can see what the car's seeing through the monitor. And back to the rally car, super impressed with it. The upgrade kit, it does need a little bit of DIY on there, so if you just want to plug and play, this is probably not for you. You know, just get the car, play with the car, and then just buy the stock spare parts for it if you break it. But you know, if you like a little bit of tinkering, then this little kit here is going to be fine. And everything in this video, there's going to be a link to all of it down below. And in a future video, we're going to be doing some FPV racing, and I'm really tempted actually to make the rally car FPV. What do you reckon, guys? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe and smash the bell! But for now, I'll see you over on one of these videos here, and I'm going to tidy up this mess.